In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your birth date on Turbotax. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step so you can update your information quickly and efficiently without a hitch. First, begin by navigating to the Turbotax official website. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your tax information effectively. Make sure that you're on the official site to ensure that all your information remains secure. You can do this by typing Turbotax into your web browser, and the official page should be the first result you see. Once you're on the site, go ahead and click on the sign in button. You should find this option prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your credentials, so it's a good idea to have your username and password at the ready. Enter these details and log in to access your account. After you've logged in successfully, you'll want to head over to your Turbotax account's homepage. This is where you can see an overview of your work and all the necessary updates or alerts that may apply to your account this year. It will provide you with a snapshot of where you are in your tax preparation process, so feel free to have a quick look around if you'd like. Next, locate and click on Intuit Account. This section houses various options for managing your account specifics. By accessing this part of your account, you'll be able to make important changes, including updating personal details such as your birth date. From there, choose the Profile option. This will lead you to a page where all your personal information is displayed. It's the central hub for managing your personal preferences and any sensitive information that Turbotax stores for its services. Now, direct your attention to the date of birth section. Click on it to reveal the option to update your birth date. Here, you can proceed to enter the correct date by typing it into the provided fields. Be sure to double check this detail to make certain that it is accurate, as errors could impact the processing of your tax documents. Once you've ensured everything is correct, apply your changes by selecting the Save option. It's always a good practice to log out afterward just to ensure your account's security and verify that your updates are recorded correctly. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully changed your birth date on Turbotax in just a matter of minutes. Remember, keeping your personal information up to date is crucial for an efficient and accurate tax filing season. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on how to manage your finances seamlessly with Turbotax.